What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has dipped slightly in the last 24 hours. Well, it was around 0.1% down. However, right now it is up just about 0.4%, nothing major. We can see over the last 24 hours it has more or less fluctuated with a dip earlier this morning and has since recovered. So we'll be going through what is next for AMP, guys, for the rest of the week, rest of December, and also going into 2025. Is it likely to recover anytime soon? Because majority of the cryptocurrencies that did take a dip earlier this week have recovered or are slowly starting to recover, except a few cryptos including AMP, which has been constantly hitting red candles. So we'll be going through, is it likely to recover soon? Is it going to keep dropping in value? And essentially looking at its prediction for the rest of the year and also going into 2025. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom we have the RSI, which is currently at 71.55, which is quite high, guys. This is telling us the crypto is slightly overvalued and is due to go for a price correction. However, I do not agree with that. Reason being is it's already taken a dip quite a bit over the last few days, as you guys can clearly see, and it is trading at the very close to the blue line, which is here at 0.0087 cents rather than the upper bound here. So what I would say is, yes, it's likely to hit a few more red candles over the coming hours, potentially over the weekend, before it bounces back up from the blue line here, back up by mid to end of next week. So essentially, but in the second half of December, it should be trading above where it is at the moment, getting closer to the red value here at 0.012 cents in value is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at. So more green candles are expected for the second half of December, not just for AMP but the crypto market. I'm expecting it to be bullish for the second half, including Bitcoin, which at the moment is looking quite strong. It is trading at $101,000, and I'm expecting it to hit a new all-time high over the coming week, which should have a bullish impact on the crypto market. So that is my take on AMP regarding the Bollinger Band. And if we look at the double EMA here on the side in green, just over the 1 cent target, that is where AMP should be trading at according to the current market, but it is trading at a slightly lower value. So once it's done with the red candles over the next 24 hours over the weekend, it should start to bounce back up, heading over the 1 cent target, getting closer to 0.012 to 0.013 cents by the end of next week, and slightly higher than that the week after. So towards the end of December is what my predictions are at the moment. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on AMP, or even on a daily basis, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 4-hour chart, and as you guys can see, the crypto has been quite volatile over the last few days. And again, as you guys can see, the highest that it has been to was around this figure here, literally in the last 2 to 3 weeks, and the lowest value has been just about here. It hasn't really gone that deep over the last few days. As you guys can see, it has been up overall, but because of the major increase in value that took place earlier on in December, this has caused the crypto market, or AMP, to go for a bit of a dip. It is likely to increase in value and potentially head up, as I mentioned, over 0.0515 cents by the end of the year, and early January is what my predictions are at the moment. So on the 4-hour chart, if we bring out the MACD indicator, we can see that the blue line is in fact trading above the signal line but still below the baseline, which means, yes, even though increases in value are expected, it's not major. It is likely to more or less fluctuate at its current price range over the coming days. And if we zoom out to the daily chart, now it's trading above the baseline but below the signal line, and it is looking quite bearish, meaning at the moment more red candles are expected over the weekend before it slowly starts to increase back up in value towards the end of December, heading up at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, is where I'm predicting AMP to be heading up to. But again, it depends on how Bitcoin and the crypto market performs with dips and so on, which over the last few weeks have happened quite a few times, as you guys can see, but it has managed to recover, and I'm expecting it to keep heading that way. Because if we look at the overall picture since the start of November, which is just about here. All the way up until now, it has been an overall steep incline in value, which is good to see. And again, yes, we complain about the dips and red candles, well, some of us do, but that is part of the process, and that's why the crypto is where it is at the moment. Otherwise it clearly wouldn't. But let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting AMP to go in 2024, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.